my channel, Random Things. Today I'm coming at you with another unboxing. Today it's a Gately Audio sub box from Sky High Car Audio. I took advantage of their Easter sale and I scoured their website, found an Easter egg, and I ended up getting 15% off. So I got this box at a steal. So I'm going to unbox it here on camera. We're going to see exactly how it is. I hear nothing but good things about Gately Audio, so I'm very excited for this box. One thing that I did want to mention, they do list the specs for the box. I got the one for the 2 6.5s, and they do list the cutout specs. The cutout for in the box as it comes is too small for the speakers that I'm using, so I will have to expand that hole, make the hole bigger. I knew that going into this, but I do believe that if you go to gatelyaudio.com and you order one of the sub boxes from Bobby Gately, that he will make the cutout whatever size you need. So yeah, let's get going, let's get cracking. So, packaged very well. I feel like I say that a lot. I'm breaking my own rules here. Cut towards your buddy, not towards your body. Bunch of cardboard. So it's in the box, a lot of packaging, a lot of padding, and then I get to unwrap it. I feel like a kid at Christmas. This is probably really loud on the mic. If you're wondering why I wasn't using the knife before, it's because I don't want to damage the box. And this box is beautiful. Copper terminals, cutouts for 2 6.5s, kerf port, 1-inch birch, there we have it, my new toy. I'll be making a video making the holes a little bit bigger. I know it's really easy to do. So you have it, Gately Audio. This box with discounts was about 200 bucks. The quality on this thing is amazing, so it's definitely worth that. even though I only have it for a temporary setup, it's definitely something that I'll keep and I'll put in other vehicles. It's a very beautiful box. So there you have it, 1 cubic foot, 2 6.5s, kerf port. This is tuned to 39 hertz. It has the copper terminals. I'll be putting 2 Toro Audio Fear 6 in this box. Like I said, I will have to make that cutout bigger, but this box will work well with the direct leads on those subwoofers because of the terminals the way they are. So next video, I'll have this in the car.